question number 24, which is in line with linear programming. It reads, the diagram shows the region defined by three inequalities. 3y is greater than or equal to 4x, y is greater than or equal to 0, and the third inequality. Find the third inequality. So the third inequality under consideration is being represented by this shaded part here, or this line here, which is passing through y is equals to 2 and x is equals to -3 here. So you need to write y is equals to mx plus c, which is the equation of the line first. Y is equals to mx plus c, right? So the value of c is very easy to identify. We refer to it as the y-intercept. Y-intercept is the point of intersection between the straight line and the y-axis. So y-intercept is being represented by 2 here. It means c is equals to 2. So whenever you see a straight line graph being given, the value of y through which the line passes is known as c, which is referred to as the y-intercept, right? So to find m denotes the gradient. You can identify any 2 points of your choice. As long as the 2 points are lying on that line, you can be assisted by those 2 points to calculate the gradient of the line, right? So the first point is 0, 2 here, and we have another point here, which is -3 and 0. So remember, gradient, or m, is equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is good as change in y over change in x. Right. So -3 and 0. We also have 0 and 2. -3 is x1, 0 is y1. Then this 0 is x2, then this 2 is y2. So m is equals to 2 for y2 minus 0 for y1. Then x2 is equals to 0 minus, but you have to be very careful because we are lessing x1, where x1 is also a negative number. So you are now having 2 negatives. So it's -3. 2 minus 0, you get 2. 0 minus -3, you get 3. So it means the gradient of the line is 2/3. So I'm going to put 2/3 on m, then you put 2 on c. You get y is equals to 2 over 3x plus 2, where 2 is representing the y-intercept. But this is not your final answer, since they want you to give the inequality, right? So the inequality sign is represented by the side where R lies. Remember, R represents the required region, right? So you can notice that R is below the line. Below means lesser. Below means lesser. But since our line is solid, I'm going to use less than or equal to. So I'm going to write y is less than or equal to 2/3 x plus 2. And this is the third inequality. You get yourself 3 marks for that, right? But if the line was dotted like this, if the line was dotted, you put y is less than 2/3 x plus 2. So use less than for a dotted line, then use less than or equal to for a solid line. So you have to take that into account. I hope you are listening, class. Right. We move on to part B. Find the coordinates of point M where the 2 lines intersect. So this is the position of M. M is between 2 and 4. So the x coordinate of M is 3. M is aligned to 4, meaning to say the y coordinate of M is 4. So the answer for M is 3 for x and 4 for y. I hope you are following, class. Then we move on to part B. By considering integral values of x, calculate the least. The least means the smallest value. So they want you to calculate the smallest value of x plus y. So the easiest method is to identify the vertices of the region R. Since R is a triangle, it means we are going to have 3 vertices. I'm going to put those spots here. So the first vertex here, or vertex, is 3 and 4. Then here is 0, 0, the origin. We have also another point which is minus 3 and 0. So 3 and 4, we have 0 and 0. We have minus 3 and 0. You are going to substitute each and every point in the expression x plus y. So 3 and 4, they give you 3 plus 4, which is equals to 7. 0 and 0, it's 0 plus 0, which is equals to 0. Minus 3 and 0, it's minus 3 plus 0, which is equals to minus 3. So from the 3 numbers, 7, 0, and minus 1, you can notice that minus 3 is the smallest number of the 3. So the least value of x plus y is minus 3. So minus 3 is your final answer. Right. But if they want you to calculate the greatest value, for the greatest or the maximum value, you take 7. But for the least value, you take minus 3. Since minus 3 is a number which is less than 0, which is less than 7. Thank you so much, guys. Till we meet again. Shalom.